Now, the most important, this is not from 10th class, but 11th, 12th, but you might have heard the trigonometric inverse functions or inverse. So what do you mean by inverse? Anyone?
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal. Right. So till now we were doing, you can say ulta, yes, reverse. So in trigonometry, what we did was we did something is equal to sine of x. X, right. So what was x? X was our angle. Correct? And so y was what? It was value. Something is equal to sine 90. X is equal to sine 90. Yeah, we were saying sine 45 degree is equal to, क्या था sine 45? Yes, Manju?
1/√2.
1 by root 2. So 45 is my angle, 1 by root 2 is my value, correct? You can, I've written that way. So this angle is called as, you call this as range, because why range? Because angle will differ. You may have 0 angle, you may have 90 degree, you may have up till 180 degree. So that means you can have different angles now. So that's why this part is called as range. And so, but we never use this. Whenever we were doing trigonometry, we were not concerned about this. We were simply doing. And this is called as domain. The value. What is the value coming? But what is now inverse of trigonometry? We are going all reverse. So reverse means so this was first trigonometry. Now we are talking about x is equal to sine inverse y. So that means, now what was x? X is the same thing, angle. What angle means? Total range we are talking about. And this is now value, or we call it as domain. See, till now I was saying don't cram anything, don't cram anything. But here there is a very small table, which though we understand everybody, but still you need to remember that. 3 types of questions are coming in inverse trigonometry. One is the same, find range and domain. So that will be based on the table. Second, the conversions. Conversions based on what? We'll be talk till now we talked about angles are measured in degrees, and up till 10 standard we were concerned about only three up till 90 degrees: 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. But now we'll be measuring the same angles in radians. And when we talk about radians, there is no limit of degree. We'll talk about 0 to 2 pi and even more than that. So this conversions are one important thing. Third type of questions are when you are asked to prove the identities. See, here also questions based on identities will be coming. Now this is a theoretical concept, so we cannot say any Vedic maths will be involved. It's just a small understanding, small table which you need to remember. Second is the conversion part, so we will go for that. And the third is very important. This is where you have the maximum limit, maximum score you get. I think every morning this reconnects once. Correct. Up till here, did you understand the point?
जी
Now,
सर।
so I'll start from the reverse side so that first you understand the major things. But yes, again, if I talk about in trigonometry, we have 6 functions: sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. So these are the 6 trigonometric functions which we deal in trigonometry. Similarly, in inverse trigonometry, you write trigonometry inverse. So IT or there you will be dealing with the same sine min inverse theta, cos inverse theta, tan inverse theta, and so on. Cosecant. One thing, we'll be making the use of same whatever we did earlier. Whatever we did earlier, we'll be using the same. Let me show you one question first. The pi radian is also very important, and we'll go for that also. Let's say question says tan inverse 2 plus proof. So have you ever thought how, or you might have done? See, we cannot say we have not done. Any hint? Yes, Manju. How can we do this? Yes, Sonu, any idea?
नो सर।
सर जैसे आपने 10 2 की वैल्यूज बताई थी उनको फाइंड आउट करके जैसे v अपॉन h जैसे हम निकालते हैं, फिर वो जो वैल्यूज आएंगी उनको रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे।
नहीं, वैसा नहीं होगा। टोटली वैसे नहीं होगा ये।
जी सर।
ये वो नहीं होगा, बट बिफोर moving ahead, just giving you one hint for this. What is pi?
22/7।
22.7 आप वहां में बात करते हो, यहाँ रेडियंस की बात आती है, बिकॉज व्हेन वी आर डीलिंग विद ट्रिग्नोमेट्री देन वी आर डीलिंग विद एंगल्स.
180 डिग्री सर.
180 डिग्री. सो दिस इज बेसिकली, वी विल डू दैट, डोंट वरी, वो पूरा अभी करेंगे. पाई मींस 180, सो दिस इज बेसिकली 45 डिग्री, -45 डिग्री. ये कैसे है वो अभी, वो टॉपिक रेडियंस का करेंगे तो समझ आ जाएगा. यस मंजू, कैन यू गिव हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? इंदु, anyone? See, just try. Otherwise, we are going to do, and we'll be doing with a very easy technique. Okay. Now, see, whenever you see this sign in maths, we have certain formulas. Again, we'll see the formula. What is tan inverse of something? But here, let me put it very clearly. Let tan inverse of 2 is equal to A. I can do it. So what is 2 is equal to tan A? Any doubt? Yes, anyone has a doubt on this?
नो सर।
No,
Sure.
sir.
So let me put this as 1. Similarly, 3 is equal to tan B. Anyone has doubt?
Hmm.
No.
Correct. Now, what was tan? Tan is perpendicular upon
Base.
base. So what is perpendicular here? That means P is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1.
Hmm.
Here, P is equal to 3 and B is equal to 1. Any doubt?
नो सर।
अभी हमें, अगर this complete is tan is A, so that means we have to find A plus B is equal to minus pi by 4. This is what we have to prove.
Yes, sir.
चलो, बस आ गया आंसर. एंगल, बेस, perpendicular, hypotenuse. What is angle A? Angle A में perpendicular is 2, base is 1. So what is hypotenuse?
Sir, √5.
Root
5।
यहाँ तक
5.
कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
B एंगल में बेस 1, ये 3. व्हाट इज द हाइपोटेन्यूज?
√10.
रूट.
10.
एनी डाउट अप टिल हियर? यस.
No, sir.
ओके.
नो सर।
सो गिव मी A plus B.
-5. 5 root 15.
Anyone has a different answer?
Yes, sir.
सर -5, 5 एंड √50।
15 और 50?
50 सर।
अच्छा, मेरे को गलती लगी. सो 50 means 25 into 2 means 5 root 2. Correct? Can we write this?
जी सर।
मैंने आपको शुरू में सिखाया था, you can take the ratios. You can write this as -1, 1 and √2 also. बट नहीं भी
Yes, sir.
तो भी -5, 5 and 5√2 तो अभी तक आ ही गया. What we are talking about is tan. So what is tan A plus B?
5 by -5
कितना आया?
or -1.
Anyone has doubt on this?
No, sir.
Yes, Manju.
-1 we got, sir.
-1 we got.
Yes.
Tan -1 कब होता है? Because
45, sir.
we'll talk about tan only.
Yes.
कब होता है? Tell me. I'll एक चीज और याद रखो बिफोर मूविंग अहेड. ये तो खैर आपने किया हुआ है. साइन ऑफ -थीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस साइन थीटा. करेक्ट. कॉस ऑफ -थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस पाई माइनस थीटा. अप्रूव कर लेना ये आइडेंटिटीज हैं. एंड द थर्ड इज tan ऑफ -थीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस tan थीटा. सो अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं tan की. ये लिख लो तीनों. सिर्फ cos के केस में पाई माइनस थीटा हो जाता है जब भी नेगेटिव एंगल हो. सो 1 कब था? व्हेन इज tan 1?
45 degree.
45 degree. So can I write this tan A plus B is equal to tan -45 degree? Can I write this?
Sir.
Anyone has a doubt?
No, sir.
अच्छा, अभी मैं देखो इस आइडेंटिटी को देखो. माइनस ऑफ थीटा अगर माइनस अंदर है, मैं इनको बहुत स्टेप्स दे रहा हूं अभी, बट ये आप वर्बल कर सकते हो बाद में. So that means I can write tan A plus B is equal to minus tan 45. Any doubt on this? भाई माइनस साइन बाहर ले सकते हैं.
Yes, sir.
जी, sir.
ओके. tan दोनों तरफ है, tan tan कट जा. So A plus B is equal to -45 degree, या I can write it as minus pi by 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
sir.
ओके. सो माइनस पाई बाय ए की वैल्यू क्या थी? फर्स्ट एजम्पशन क्या थी? व्हाट इज ए? tan
Tan inverse, sir.
minus 2 plus tan minus 3 is equal to minus pi by 4. यही प्रूव करना था हमें.
Yes, sir.
So see, with Budhayan table you can easily prove. Whenever questions are asked, simple logic, put that inverse function is equal to any angle, any value a, because first thing I gave you, y is equal to sine inverse of, x is equal to sine inverse of y. इसीलिए ये चीज कराई थी ना. सी What is inverse? This. Angle is equal to inverse. So मैंने x की बजाय I put it as y. Now it's clear. Sorry, A and B. Sorry. Okay. If this is clear, just similar question I am giving you. 100% similar है. थोड़ा सा आप सोचो और एक प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा. Tan inverse of 1/2. Now it is not 2. It is 1/2. Please remember. Tan inverse 1/3 is equal to pi/4. Please do it. The h is not required. So even आप h की वैल्यू नहीं भी अभी फाइंड करो तो चलेगा. Tan में if only tan is the topic, h is not never required. Yes, what is value of a plus b? Triplets of a plus b? Yes, did you get the answer? Indu? Varshini?
So their +1 becomes -1, sir. First is
Which plus 1?
-1, 1 root 2. In that 1 you get.
Why we'll get -1? Doing something wrong. Yes, Sonu? Okay, leave it.
Yes, sir, done.
Let me give it very fast. A, B. So table will be A is equal to 2, 1 and H I am not mentioning right now. B is equal to 3 and 1. So what is A plus B? 6 minus 1. That
Yes,
is
sir, 5.
5. And this is positive 5. Manju, where is negative sign?
No, sir, first one.
Which first one?
Sir, last case, -5, 5 root 50 we got, no,
Last
sir.
case now, you're talking about this, na?
No, this
What?
case, just I am dividing.
What is
Yes, sir,
A
minus
plus
becomes
B?
one.
A plus B is 1.
Yes, sir.
Up till here, no doubt. So what is tan A plus B?
Tan
Sorry, not,
45.
sorry, I should not write A plus B is equal to 1. Tan A plus B is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Now, here A plus B becomes
Yes, sir.
tan inverse 1. So what is that? It is nothing but pi by 4. A plus B ki put the values. tan inverse 2 by 1 and clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You need to try more questions on this. See, don't think this is inverse sine. We are doing exactly the same we were doing earlier. So not to worry on that part.
So why 1/2 or 1/3 is taken as only 2 or 3? That I got
But
stuck.
which one? Which one? Which one?
In the same sum which you have given for practice. When you take A as 2 and B as 3, 1/2 and 1/3 is converted into 2 and 3. That I got.
No.
Then
That is wrong what you are getting. That is wrong what you have taken. You are not getting then. That's why I asked you, did you understand? Now see.
yes, when I try to understand.
No, just hold on, ma'am. Tan inverse 1 by 2, I said it is equal to A. Correct? Up till here, any doubt? We have just taken the value. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, Hindu, you had a doubt, please respond to it. So that means tan of A is equal to 1 by 2.
Right, sir.
What is tan? It is P by B. So that was the reason in the table we have written A, B, P, H. So P value is 1. So 1. B value is 2. In the last question, it was tan A is equal to 2. What is 2? You can write it as 2 by 1. So therefore, the values were 1 and 2. B was 1 and P was 2. Now, I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So we are not directly putting anything. We are just considering what do you mean by fraction. The fraction stands for ki one is perpendicular, one is base. Got it? Now, so based on this, you'll have questions in the assignment also. One, tan, generally you get the questions when you'll check with the books, everything. One very important will come. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 is equal to tan inverse minus 4 by 3. Here, you have, don't get worried that this is 2. And we don't have to see that also. First thing, this as A. So that means we have to prove 2A is equal to tan inverse 4 by 3. I hope now you understand. 2A means you have to add. Let's put the values. So can I write tan inverse 1 by 2 is equal to A?
Yes, sir.
So tan A is equal to 1 by 2. Up till here, any doubt? So my table will go like this. B, P, H. Perpendicular is 1. Base is 2. This is my value of A. Find out 2A. Because I know I have to find this 2A. So find out 2A. So if you remember, that was B square minus P square. So 3. And here 2BP. So that is 4.
3, 4.
Correct.
Yes.
So I hope you can see the answer coming. So that means 2A has the coordinate, has the triplets 3, 4 and something. I'm not bothered about it because I'm working in tan. If you want, you can find out. That's not big thing. So from here, I can say tan of 2a is equal to 4/3. Any doubt on this?
No, sir.
Okay. From here, I can say 2a is equal to tan inverse of 4/3. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So 2a, you know what is 2a? 2a was
One inverse of that.
this, was that. Now it is clear?
Hmm.
See, this is, if we go by this very easy to solve. Now solve one question on cos also, so that your doubts are clear. Patiently, just go with the table. If you go with the table, things will be sorted out. Cos inverse of 3/5 plus cos inverse of 12/13 is equal to cos inverse of 16/65. Solve this. I hope Indu now you'll be able to solve this. I'm trying to cover every type of question.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, Manju.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Indu. Neha.
Sir, कर दिया.
Varshini. देखो पहले ये सारे साइन का स्टैन के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, उसके बाद बड़े क्वेश्चंस भी आ सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इट्स रिटन प्रूव 3 sine inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Now, if I remember the formula sine 3, then I can do it very easily. But if I don't remember, then? So for that, I'll go with this table. Got it? 3 me. So I'll put sine inverse x is equal to a. What will happen? That means I need to find 3a. Yahin se picture is very clear. Sine a is equal to x. That means what is sine? Sine is p by h. So that means p is x. H is 1. So what is the value of b? Yes, b क्या आएगा?
Root 1 minus x square.
आ गया? I know p, I know b, I know h. फॉर्मूला रटा हुआ है तो वी कैन सॉल्व दैट वे. अदरवाइज a की वैल्यू से हमने b is 1 minus x square, x 1. What is 2a? 2a I know. b square minus क्या था? p square. So इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो दिस बिकम्स 1 minus x square minus x square. And here 2x into 1 minus x square. This is same. 1 into 1 is 1. अब दोनों को ऐड कर दो. Find 3a. Finish. So the point is you have to follow the same table concept. I have given certain questions, though this question is not in the exercise or notes. I was looking in the book, so I thought sharing with you one of the international book. Yes, any questions regarding the same?
No, sir.
Just focus whenever you see sine inverse, tan inverse, and that is a question of proof. So expect we can get 100% in that by using our table, Budhayan table. Otherwise, we need to remember the formulas.
Yes, sir. Received. Got it.
आ गया? Sure. So coming to the next part. Till now, we have measured the angle in degrees. And we denote it like 0 degree. If it is this 90 degree, we put a small 0 on that. But now we'll be using one more that is called as radian. Yes, anyone knows what do we mean by radian, Manju?
No, sir.
फिजिक्स में भी है ये, तो मैथ्स में भी वी आर डूइंग इट. Okay, so radian is a standard unit which is being used in higher mathematics, physics. Now comes, what is the value? How do we find? If this is your circle, now, do you know the word arc?
Yes.
So if this arc, the angle formed or the angle subtended at the center of the circle, if this is the angle which is subtended by the arc, this is your arc, is equal, when this arc is equal to the radius, that is 1 radian. So radian is basically the angle subtended by the arc of the circle. And when do we say it is 1 degree or 1 radian? When that arc is equal to the radius. This is radius or this is radius. So if you understand, that means what is the total circumference, total arc, circumference of circle?
Pi r.
Huh?
2 pi r, sir.
2 pi r. So that means angle is equal to 2 pi r by r. यही हुआ ना? If circumference is total, the angle by the radius. So that means the angle is, total angle is 2 pi. Right. Now, if I take it in other angle, other way out, what is total revolution? What is total revolution? 360 degree or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So 360 degree, I can say, is equal to 2 pi radians. Now one side I have put degrees, one side I have put radians. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Clarity? उसको 2 पाई बोल दो रेडियंस में या 360 डिग्री बोल दो. तो पाई रेडियन हो गया 180 डिग्री. यहां पे रेडियन लिख लेते हैं. यहां तक कोई डाउट? सो 1 रेडियन कितना हुआ?
180 by 5.
तो 1 रेडियन is equal to 180 degree by
5 degrees.
pi. Pi की value now, Neha, you will take as 22 by 7. Because now you are converting it to degrees. Right? Pi के दो aspect हैं यहाँ. One is the total circumference is 2 pi r. So the total radians is 2 pi. So आप इसे कैलकुलेट जब करेंगे तो that will come out to be somewhere 57.3. It's approximation because you have to learn something more degree. Now any doubt up till here? Any question you have?
No, sir.
Just write down this all because this is very important. जैसे उस क्वेश्चन में भी इट वाज π/4, so you should know what is, so pi we can say it is 180 degree approximation. Up till here it is clear. So now the entire circle, this was 0 degree और 360 डिग्री है ना. I'll make 2 3. $30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree. Similarly, here I can say 150 degree, 120 degree. So here I will say 270 degree, 180 degree. This you already know. So now what we'll do, 30 degree will what is that? π/6. 180 by 6, 30.
Yes, sir.
Up till here, any question? See, if you are taking only difference of 30, so you can directly write 2 π/6. 90, you can write 3 π/6. So again, it means π/2 only. So that means you need to understand that here in inverse functions, you'll always use 30 degree means π/6. 45 degree means π/4. 60 degree means π/3. 90 degree means π/2. At least these 4 you should remember. Any doubt on this? Yes.
No, sir.
Okay. Now comes the conversion part. Here, it's very simple if I understand. Just now we said 2 pi is equal to 360 degree. Again, I'm just repeating 180 degree. But now I'll find out exact. Slowly and steadily, we'll find out exact. 1 radian also we'll find out again. First question. Now I have given you all the values. Radian is denoted by C. Correct. I say convert 2 pi to degrees. So how will you do?
$120.
Yes, others?
So 120.
Yes, sir.
आ गया?
Yeah.
Now this was very simple. I know 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. So 2 pi we just multiply. This was because the angle was very clear, so we got it. But have you seen when you see Google locations, is latitude coming in just degrees? No. It is some minutes, some seconds. Here, minutes and seconds are not like what of our time. Okay, first one more question and then what is pi by 10 radian? How many degrees? Convert.
18. 18.
18.
चल अब till here it is very much clear. और आगे चलते हैं. Pi by 24 radian to degree.
Seven point two five.
Sorry,
7.25.
wrong.
So 7.5.
Wrong. Correct, but wrong. Manju, how 7.25?
180 divided by 24. Just dividing.
Why? So 24 से डायरेक्ट डिवाइड हो जाता है.
Points में होता है.
कैसे होगा? How 18 and 24 can be divided? Okay. So everybody got 7.5 degree. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But this is not the way to write. क्या आपका गूगल में आता है 7.5 डिग्री पे घर है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
क्या आता है फिर? Please.
7 degrees minutes will be.
Yes. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Minutes is written like this. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds.
Second.
Got it. Now what we'll do?
5 minutes. 0.5 degrees you need to convert in terms of minutes.
So we'll write 7 degree plus half degree. We can write now. 7 is complete.
जी sir.
Correct.
Yes.
तो 1 डिग्री को क्या लेंगे? अगर हम 1 डिग्री को 60 मिनट्स मानते हैं तो ये आ गए 30 मिनट्स. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
60 by 2. Clear? 7 degree 30 minutes. Clear or not? See, this is, आप कहीं भी देखेंगे, this is how you need to do it. ये otherwise topic में क्या है? Anybody can convert directly, multiply by pi, 180 by pi. And never the answer, even in MCQs, the answer is not in degrees only. It is not written 7.5 degree. To confuse, they might write you something. Chalo, last find out karo and then you'll understand all the points. 1 by 4 radians to degree. So I put everything in between so that pi also don't get cancelled. You'll understand everything now.
45 degree.
Sorry,
The 45 degree.
कैसे आ जाएगा? पाई पाई की वैल्यू कहाँ है? वेयर इज
Opposite pi.
वेयर इज पाई हेयर? क्या मैंने यहाँ रेडियंस में पाई लिखा है? तो
ओके
क्रॉस
फिर
कैसे
दो
कर दिया?
फिर
वन
दोबारा कर दो.
आपने 180/4 करके मुझे बता दिया, क्या यहाँ पाई/4 था?
जी सर मैं दोबारा कर रही
यस सोनू, यस मंजू. चलो आई सॉल्व इट. बिकॉज दो कैलकुलेशंस है इसमें. यू नॉट टेकिंग 180 by pi into 1/4. Up till here, any doubt?
That we done, sir.
What is the answer?
Calculation parts, that only conversion 1/4 into 180/5 we
So
taken.
this, have you done or not? This much is clear. So can I write this as 45 by pi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I write it as 45 into 7/22? Yes, tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Can I write this as 315 degree by 22? Now this is it a correct fraction? फ्रैक्शंस में पढ़ा था, लाइक फ्रैक्शन, अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन, परफेक्ट फ्रैक्शन, सॉरी improper fraction. Is
14
it
point.
Yes, Manju, say it clearly. We are not able to hear you.
If you dividing that one, sir, you'll get 14.318.
Again, that's
14.319.
that's not the way ना. फिर वही बात, डिवाइड तो कोई भी कर लेगा. What is degree? What is minute? What is seconds? तो अभी पहले भी यही मंजू हुआ 17.5.
Yes, yes.
So please convert this into proper fraction. This is improper fraction. First understand this thing. Improper. So proper, how will you get? It is 308 degree plus 7 degree. Okay, I can write like this. 22, sorry. Now it is 14 degree is my complete. But 7/22 is again a fraction. Na? So I have to convert this into minutes. So how will I do? 14 degree plus 7 degree. I convert, multiply by 60 minutes. So I have removed the degree here now. So this will go 11, 30. So I can write this as 14 degree plus 210 minutes by 11. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Again, this is improper fraction.
Three minutes
So
will get
19 minutes plus 11. I think you now understood this. 209 plus 1 by 11. And you know, 11 into 19, I've used that concept. 11 multiplication. 209. So 19 plus, now this is 14 degree, this is 19 minutes. And again, I'll multiply by seconds. So here you will, now this is approximation 5, but not fully. But up till here you have to find 14 degree, 19 minutes. I'm writing in this so that you don't forget, 5 seconds. So did you understand how to convert? But most important is understanding that it is improper fraction, converting to proper fraction, and then only you'll be getting it. Yes, any doubt? Any doubt? Any questions you have till now? ऐसे चुप बैठे रहे सारे? These many steps have to be done. तो करना तो पड़ेगा अगर आपको मार्क्स पूरे लेने, मतलब डेफिनेटली यू डोंट हैव टू नाउ गिव द एग्जाम्स, बट बच्चों को मार्क्स दिलाने हैं तो दे हैव टू सॉर्ट इट आउट अप टिल सेकेंड्स. चले आगे फिर. यस मंजू.
yes, sir. Up to here, clear.
हाँ,
Conversion.
up to here clear.
Yes, sir.
100%.
That convert. Yes, sir. QR by D you have to take, na, sir. That
Huh?
conversion, sir. Quotient to remainder and divisor you have to take, sir.
So what is that called as? Yeah, it is called improper fraction only, na?
Improper fraction only, sir.
That's, see, that you learn in class 4th, 3rd, 4th.
Yes, sir.
मुझे भी वर्ड इसीलिए I also remembered because I was teaching somebody 4th class day before yesterday. Otherwise, I could have also said you fraction. So, see, that helped me out today. Now, the last part, what I said, ki inverse functions. So, what you are asked is find the values. One table first we'll remember, and then we'll move ahead. And I'll tell you how to remember. See, two types of tables. I'll show you what is given and how to easily remember. So this much is very much clear. In inverse, it is sine inverse of y. We just did it initially. So where x is angle, so it is range, and this is value. So we call it as domain. वो यहाँ कोई भी मग्गा नहीं था, मैंने यहाँ वाले भी सारे उठा लिए, दोनों तीनों। यहाँ एक भी नहीं आया, आज मैं फिर कप उठाया।
अपने भी लगा था, सारे ले गए वो।
अपने भी ले गए, दो इस अलमारी से भी लिए मैंने।
वो हम लगाए थे ना।
So this is what you have to remember. Sine inverse. First is domain. Second is range. Third, cosine. Tan. Because the first exercise in every book will be this only. It's just a cramming
सर
part.
ये 11 की बुक में मिलेगा
12th में है शायद। कुटी cot थोड़ा छोटा पास पास कर लेते हैं ताकि स्क्रीन एक ही में आ जाए। Cos inverse, tan inverse, so if you check the values of sine, देखो इसमें थोड़ी सी मेहनत भी है, अगर if you don't want to cram, so सारी वैल्यूज अगर साइन की चेक करो 0 से लेके 360, so this will be -1 1, right? It will always be in between minus to +1. The range is pi minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So pi by 2 means 90 degree. This I already told you. Similarly, cos also has -1 to 1, but the range is 0 to pi. These certain things you need to remember. There is, or you have to check every value of every function, right? This is any number r, that is we are saying any number, and this becomes same as minus pi by 2 pi by 2, but आप देखोगे यहां ब्रैकेट थी क्लोज्ड, दिस इज क्लोज्ड, एंड यहां ब्रैकेट है नॉर्मल ब्रैकेट. So this bracket is called as closed bracket, and this is called as open bracket. There is a difference between both. Closed bracket में the values are counted, means you will consider -90 and +90, but in open bracket you will not include the out the minus 90 and 90. So उससे कुछ पहले, anything between minus 90 and 90, not 90 and minus 90. So that is basic difference of closed and open brackets. Similarly, if tan is R, cotangent is also same. This value remains as cos. Secant is R minus 1 and 1. Now this is anything other than this, right? ये आपको 3 तो जरूरी है, आगे की मैं 3 लिख रहा हूं, बट similarly 0 to pi minus pi by 2. So except, this means except pi by 2. Here also pi by 2, 2 pi by minus except 0. You'll say how to remember this. So इसका जो पार्ट हमें याद करना है वो हम कैसे करेंगे? One thing is this table, this is available everywhere. इसको दूसरे एंगल से ले लें, दूसरे तरीके से लिखें तो फंक्शन range, I'm changing positive angle and negative angle. इसका बेनिफिट क्या होगा कि whenever, see the questions are asked, find the principal value. So what does that mean? That means you have to tell the answer in positive angle also, negative angle also, right? And certain conditions are written. हम इसको दूसरे एंगल से लेते हैं. फंक्शन इज साइन इनवर्स, कॉस इनवर्स, tan इनवर्स, cot इनवर्स, secant इनवर्स, cosecant इनवर्स. जो इजी पार्ट है पहले वो याद कर लो. ऑल पॉजिटिव एंगल्स आर सेम. इसका मतलब याद करो, साइन ऑफ माइनस साइन ऑफ थीटा इज इक्वल साइन इनवर्स ऑफ थीटा, तो वो वही रहेगा. इट विल नॉट चेंज. साइन ऑफ नेगेटिव होगा तो इट विल बी माइनस थीटा. हमने एक क्वेश्चन अभी किया था. आई टोल्ड यू कि माइनस विल कम tan के केस में, इफ यू रिमेंबर. एंड आई टोल्ड यू इन पाई इट विल बी, अभी विल डू 2-3 क्वेश्चंस ऑन दिस. So you have to be careful in cos, you have to be careful in cot, you have to be careful in secant. cos और secant में और cot में. इसका मतलब क्या है कि whenever there is a negative value means यहां रेंज वही लिख सकते हैं आप डायरेक्टली, this one, so you can remember. But this was what I changed. I changed the domain so that clarity should come. Now, what does that mean? This means if you are asked cot of minus 30 degree, or you can say cot of 30 means pi by 3. If this is a value. So you don't have to directly write this. You cannot say this is equal to cot inverse pi by 3. No.
5 by 6. 30 means pi by 6.
Chalo, sorry. ये 30 ले लिया था, ठीक है. Minus pi. It is wrong. It is not that way. What is that? Pi minus theta it will become. So in case it is sine of minus pi by 6. So this is equal to minus sine by pi by 6. This, but not cot. So what is cot then? It is
Pi minus theta.
pi minus pi by 6. So this particular thing you have to do when questions are asked, because this nowhere will be given. But that is our understanding that in negative angles, how these ranges change. I'll give you 2-3 questions. You will easily understand everything. Let's say, so we'll solve all sine, cos, tan, and cosecant. So clarity will come. Find the value of sine 1 by 2. Now this is, let's say, first question. Remember, when do we have value of sine 1 by 2?
30 degree. 30 degrees.
Correct. Now, I could have asked you cos also, but no, I have to cancel this, na?
Yes.
I have to, this is sine, so I asked you
Yes.
sine. So can I write sine inverse of sine 30 degree? But here I cannot write this. So I'll write sine inverse of sine pi by 6. Any doubt on this? Yes, anyone?
No, sir.
So what is the answer? Pi by 6 or 30 degree. Yaad karo, first topic I said y is equal to sine inverse of x. That is what we are doing. So y is now angle. Right. Initially he first topic ही यही समझाया. Now what we are finding. So this is your answer. But if it is these all questions are very important. If it is sine inverse of minus 1 by 2, now what will happen? So now in the table itself, you see it is minus theta, means minus sine inverse 1 by 2. So negative sign can come outside in case of sine.
Sine.
So now this becomes minus pi by 6.
Pi by 6.
Correct? Or minus 30 degree. Any doubt? But when we compare with cosecant, cos theta, cosine theta, let's say I'll solve 2 questions on cos. One is cos 1 by 2, one is cos minus 1 by 2. So cos 1 by 2 means cos pi by 4, yes or no? Sorry, pi by 3. अगर साइन में वो 60 डिग्री है तो यहां 30 यस पाई बाय 3 आएगा. यस और नो मंजू?
Yes, sir.
साइन और वो चेक करने होते ना. ओके, बट हियर इन दिस केस यू विल से cos इनवर्स cos pi minus pi by 3. Now this is a difference. So that was what was meaning of subtracting. नेगेटिव एंगल की जब हम बात कर रहे थे, दैट वाज अ मीनिंग. सो इन दिस केस वहां डायरेक्टली साइन में लिख दिया -30. नो, दिस इज नॉट -30. दिस इज 2π/3. व्हाट इज 2π/3? क्योंकि अभी तक हमें एंगल्स उसमें रटी हुई हैं. π/3 मींस यहां दिस इज 60 डिग्री ना. What is 2π/3?
120 degrees. 120 degrees.
Yes, Sonu, what happened? 2π/3.
Yes, sir. 120.
तो देखो फर्क आ गया.
120.
Cos साइन में it was -θ was just 30 degree and -30 degree. यहाँ पे 60 and it became 120.
120.
It's not minus. So this is a difference you need to understand in both the functions. तो वो जो टेबल हम रखते हैं उससे जो कंक्लूजन है वो ये है. One more, 2 examples more. Tan inverse of 1 and tan inverse of -1. -1 we did earlier also. अब टेबल में ही देखो तो tan के लिए -θ हो जाता है. So there is no problem at all. This will come -π/4. This will come π/4. Clarity?
Yes.
But when I'll talk about secant or I'll talk about cot, so that time I have to understand that I have to subtract from pi. Any?
Minus.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sonu, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Neha? Okay.
जी सर, जी सर.
Yes, that completes your trigonometric with Vedic mathematics. Any doubts you have anytime, you can WhatsApp me. So whenever we can find the time, I'll guide you. And whosoever has not filled the form, so certificates for e-certificates, I need the name and father or husband name. So you can share in the group. So you'll be getting e-certificates within 3 days. Right. Any questions, any doubts? थोड़ा सा अगर प्रैक्टिस कर लो
Yes, sir.
तो 4 साल का entire trigonometry can be done this way. I know today's topics were bit lengthy, but once you understand conversions, so why we solve even the first, I said 1 radian is equal to 57 degree approximation. Even that is wrong. उसको आप minutes or seconds में करो, because that is the important value. Got it. Now you have the how to go ahead. Similarly, why we took first inverse proving, because that is what is the maximum weightage. And this you had to remember something, some values. But cos, secant, cotine और cot, अगर आप ये तीनों को कर जाएं तो then it's principal, इसमें कहते हैं principal values, find out the, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. तो that means you just have to subtract from pi. और इसीलिए cos के क्वेश्चन दिए जाते हैं क्योंकि वहीं आप गलती करोगे. Right.
Yes.
So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
If you have any doubts, anytime you can message.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.